I may not exactly feel like it here, but records have been shattered in an unprecedented heat wave across mainland Europe. Yesterday was the warmest winter day on record in several countries. Some experts describe the temperatures as simply incredible. Parts of France and Spain reached almost 25 degrees yesterday. That's more than 10 degrees above typical temperatures. Meanwhile, southern Poland was 19 degrees. That's well above average for this time of year. And southeast Belarus was more than 16 degrees Celsius, where it's usually in the region of -2. Here's Sejal on the unseasonal winter heat.
Winter appears to be disappearing on the lower slopes of the Swiss Alps. Hillsides blanketed in the green of grass rather than the white of snow. And when the white stuff stops falling, it's time to make your own. These skiers speeding down on snow made by machines, which are topping up all the slopes and keeping the season going. But in parts of France, the snow being a no-show meant some resorts being forced to close. As remarkable warm January weather is breaking records across Europe, from Berlin to here in Bucharest, where people were plunging into outdoor pools rather than the usual trudging through feet of snow. One of the most striking temperatures for January was here in Warsaw, the Polish capital seeing almost 19 Celsius on New Year's Day, 5 degrees higher than the previous record.
In the context of climate change, where we're talking about 1.5 to 2 degrees of warming over centuries, then the idea that the record goes up by 5 degrees, that's an awful lot. And it's climate change that's making these occurrences happen more often.
For France, a year marked by heat waves ended with spring-like temperatures in midwinter. And scientists warn this warming is likely to become more common. Sejal, ITV News.